In 2024, China's economy is grappling with significant hurdles: weak consumer demand, a fragile property market, and the looming threat of deflation. In response, the Chinese government has unveiled one of its most ambitious financial strategies yet, a comprehensive economic stimulus package. But what implications does this have for China, the global economy, and the daily lives of its citizens? Join us as we dissect each component of the package and analyze the potential impacts of China's bold economic initiative. And don't forget to hit subscribe to Milwaukee Insights for more in-depth global economic analyses. So, why the sudden push for stimulus? After a sluggish recovery from the pandemic, China's economy has shown signs of strain. Issues like a slumping real estate sector, cautious consumer spending, and deflationary pressures have made it tough for the country to hit its growth targets. With these challenges piling up, it's clear that the Chinese government needed a solid plan to reignite the economy and stabilize key sectors. Additionally, the global economic slowdown and trade tensions have further complicated the situation, making it imperative for China to boost domestic innovation and education to stay competitive. Let's delve into the monetary measures. China's central bank, the People's Bank of China, PBOC, recently cut the 7-day reverse repurchase rate from 1.7% to 1.5%. This reduction essentially lowers the cost of borrowing, making it more affordable for businesses to invest in growth and for consumers to spend more freely. Furthermore, the reserve requirement ratio, RRR, for major banks was reduced by 0.5 percentage points. This move is projected to inject approximately 1 trillion yuan, or about $137 billion, into the financial system. These measures are designed to encourage banks to increase lending and support business expansion, which is vital for boosting domestic demand. However, the question remains, can these interest rate cuts alone drive sustainable growth, or will they merely provide a temporary uplift? The property market has been one of China's Achilles heels lately, with prices and demand both slumping. So what's in the package for real estate? For one, down payment requirements for second home buyers were slashed from 25% to 15%. This policy aims to stimulate the housing market by making it easier for people to buy property. Local governments have also been given funding to help purchase unsold homes, aiming to prevent an oversupply crisis. With property accounting for around 20% of China's GDP, stabilizing this sector is essential. However, easing down payments could bring short-term demand without addressing the root causes, like excessive housing supply. Experts suggest that long-term solutions should focus on balancing supply and demand, improving urban planning, and ensuring sustainable growth in the property sector. China's stock market has been grappling with significant volatility, driven by global economic uncertainties and domestic challenges. To counteract this, the 2024 stimulus package introduces strategic measures such as share buybacks, allowing listed companies and major shareholders to repurchase shares. This initiative aims to elevate stock values and instill investor confidence by demonstrating faith in the company's long-term prospects. Ensuring stock market stability is crucial for maintaining both public trust and investor confidence. Through these measures, China aspires to foster a more predictable and stable market environment, benefiting both domestic and international investors. Now the big question: where will the government allocate its resources? While specific details aren't fully disclosed, analysts predict significant investments in infrastructure projects, technological advancements, and renewable energy initiatives. This strategy supports China's long-term vision of evolving into a sustainable, tech-driven economy, fostering job creation and enhancing industrial productivity. Emphasizing tech and renewable energy not only aligns with global sustainability trends, but also positions China as a leader in green technology. However, the challenge lies in balancing these forward-looking investments with immediate economic demands, ensuring a stable and inclusive growth trajectory. This stimulus package is a direct response to the severe disruptions caused by COVID-19, a significant drop in domestic consumption, and escalating global tensions. Timing is crucial for several reasons. First, the post-COVID landscape has left numerous industries struggling to recover and adapt. Second, China faces a dual challenge: an aging population and high youth unemployment, necessitating immediate economic stimulation. Third, With global markets becoming increasingly volatile, fortifying the domestic economy is imperative. China is not merely reacting to current economic challenges, it is proactively addressing potential future vulnerabilities by strengthening its economic foundation now. How will this package reshape China's economic landscape? In the immediate future, increased liquidity is likely to boost consumer spending and stabilize both the real estate and stock markets, potentially restoring confidence among consumers and investors. However, experts caution that for sustained economic growth, fiscal measures, such as significant infrastructure investments, must take precedence, as monetary easing alone cannot address deep-rooted structural challenges. There is a strong potential for economic rebound, but achieving lasting growth will hinge on comprehensive fiscal policies and the meticulous execution of long-term strategies. Every stimulus package comes with inherent risks. First, China's high debt levels are a significant concern. Increased spending on stimulus could exacerbate the future debt burden, potentially leading to financial instability. Second, while stimulating the real estate sector might provide a short-term boost, it risks creating a bubble, with unsustainable price hikes that could destabilize the market in the long run. Third, ongoing geopolitical tensions could disrupt China's export-driven industries, making it imperative to focus on domestic growth, which presents its own set of challenges. China's stimulus has the potential to reignite growth, but the risks of escalating debt and economic overheating could undermine its long-term effectiveness. Therefore, strategic and balanced spending will be crucial to navigate these challenges and achieve sustainable growth. China's 2024 stimulus package represents a bold step toward reviving a struggling economy. By focusing on critical sectors like real estate, stock markets, technology, and renewable energy, China aims to lay the groundwork for a more resilient and sustainable economic future. However, with ongoing challenges both domestically and globally, the road ahead remains uncertain. If you found this analysis insightful, please like and share the video, and subscribe to Mwaki Insights for more comprehensive explorations of global economic trends. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe this stimulus package will stabilize China's economy, or are additional measures necessary? Let's engage in the comments below.